What is cloud technology? Cloud technology refers to the use of remote servers, typically hosted on the internet, to store, manage, and process data, rather than relying solely on local servers or personal computers. These remote servers are collectively referred to as the cloud. Cloud technology enables users to access and use various computing resources, such as storage, processing power, databases, networking, and software applications, over the internet on a pay-as-you-go basis. Key characteristics of cloud technology include: on-demand self-service. Users can provision and manage resources, such as virtual machines or storage, without needing human intervention from the service provider. Broad network access. Cloud services are accessible over the internet from a variety of devices, including laptops, smartphones, and tablets. Resource pooling. Cloud providers consolidate computing resources and serve multiple users using a multi-tenant model. Resources are dynamically allocated based on demand. Rapid elasticity. Cloud services can quickly scale up or down based on changing requirements, allowing users to adjust their resource usage as needed. Measured service. Cloud providers track and charge users based on their actual usage, which can include factors such as storage, processing time, bandwidth, and the number of users. Cloud technology is typically categorized into 3 main service models and 4 deployment models. Service models. Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS, provides virtualized computing resources over the internet. Users can rent virtual machines, storage, and networking components to build and manage their own IT infrastructure. Platform as a Service, PaaS, offers a platform and environment for developers to build, deploy, and manage applications without needing to manage the underlying infrastructure. This includes tools, databases, and runtime environments. Software as a Service, SaaS, delivers software applications over the internet on a subscription basis. Users can access and use the software without worrying about installation, maintenance, or updates. Deployment models. Public cloud. Cloud services are provided by third-party companies and are available to the general public over the internet. Private cloud. Cloud infrastructure is dedicated to a single organization and can be hosted on premises or by a third-party provider. It offers greater control and security but may require more maintenance. Hybrid cloud combines elements of both public and private clouds. Organizations can use public cloud resources for scalability while keeping sensitive data or critical applications in a private cloud. Community cloud. Shared cloud infrastructure is used by a specific group of organizations with similar interests or requirements, such as multiple organizations within a specific industry. Cloud technology has revolutionized the way businesses and individuals manage and use computing resources. It offers flexibility, scalability, cost efficiency, and the ability to focus on core business activities without the need for heavy upfront investments in hardware and infrastructure. Pros and cons of cloud technology. Opting for cloud technology offers numerous benefits, but it also comes with some potential drawbacks. Here are the pros and cons of using cloud technology. Pros of cloud technology. Scalability. Cloud services allow you to easily scale up or down based on your needs. This flexibility is particularly useful for businesses with fluctuating workloads or seasonal demands. Cost efficiency. Cloud services typically operate on a pay-as-you-go model, which can help reduce upfront costs. You only pay for the resources you actually use, avoiding the need for large capital expenditures on hardware. Accessibility. Cloud services can be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection, enabling remote work and collaboration among geographically dispersed teams. Ease of deployment. Setting up and deploying applications or resources in the cloud is often quicker and more straightforward than managing physical infrastructure. Automatic updates. Cloud service providers often handle updates, security patches, and maintenance, reducing the burden on your IT staff and ensuring that you're using the latest software and security measures. Disaster recovery and backup. Cloud providers typically offer built-in backup and disaster recovery options, ensuring that your data is safe and can be restored in case of hardware failures or other disasters. Global reach. Cloud providers have data centers in various regions, enabling you to deploy your services closer to your target audience, which can lead to improved performance and reduced latency. Innovation and agility. Cloud technology enables you to experiment with new technologies and services without significant upfront investments, fostering innovation and rapid development. Cons of cloud technology. Dependency on internet connectivity. Cloud services rely on a stable internet connection. If your connection goes down, it can disrupt access to critical services. Security and privacy concerns. Storing sensitive data in the cloud may raise security and privacy concerns. While cloud providers implement robust security measures, breaches can still occur. Limited control. In a public cloud environment, you have limited control over the underlying infrastructure. This can be a concern for organizations with strict compliance requirements. Potential downtime. Even though cloud providers aim for high availability, service outages can still occur, impacting your operations. Data transfer costs. Moving large volumes of data to and from the cloud can incur data transfer costs, especially if you're dealing with significant amounts of data. Vendor lock-in. Switching between cloud providers or moving back to on-premises infrastructure can be complex and costly, potentially leading to vendor lock-in. Performance variability. In a shared environment, performance can vary based on the activities of other users on the same infrastructure. Hidden costs. While cloud services can be cost-effective, unexpected costs may arise if you don't carefully monitor your resource usage or if you fail to optimize your cloud deployments. When considering cloud technology, it's important to weigh these pros and cons against your specific needs, budget, and security requirements. Many organizations find that a hybrid approach, combining on-premises infrastructure with cloud services, can provide a balance between control, flexibility, and scalability. Please like this video if you like the content. Share this video with your near and dear ones. Want to say something? Use the comments section to do so. For more interesting videos like this, do subscribe to my channel at cyberprofessional123. Thank you.